Oh my god, look at him, he's flipped the truck. So finally, the adventure has begun. The not so nice adventure actually. So hello people, good morning. Thank you for tuning back. So all set to start from MP, Madhya Pradesh. Time is 7:26. It's kind of a sunny morning. Expected it to be quite cold. But yeah, it was cold in the night. Not now. It's pretty much okay with everything. So today we head towards Agra and about 460 kilometers for today. Kind of a very short ride compared to yesterday's ride, I would say. Get it slightly warm. ठीक है भाई, थैंक यू. अरे इतना ठंडा है. ठीक है. So this is the place I stayed last evening and on the highway already. Motel Kheti Highway. Nice place. A pretty decent place to stay. I wouldn't call it a great place. Yeah, just to stay for a night, it was worth it. But notice that the places to stay on the highways are really expensive here. Jhansi is 219 kilometers now. Oh my god, look at him, he's flipped the truck. What a view. I need to get some woolen gloves now. These ventilated gloves are too much for this weather. I'll kind of freeze in them. Beyond Delhi, I guess. It's way too ventilated now. Going to cross another state into another state now. So this is gonna be the end of Madhya Pradesh. This is the integrated MP border checkpost. Okay, so just stop for breakfast. It's about 100 kilometers, I think. Found this dhaba here as well. Find lots and lots of dhabas here. I stopped at this particular one and I've ordered for aloo paratha. That's what he said is available, so did it. Finished my order and waiting for the cook to prepare it. procrastinated. It's my breakfast. क्या है वो? आलू पराठा के साथ सॉस। अचार नहीं है? अचार नहीं है? अचार नहीं है? Different kind of aloo paratha. Less of aloo and more of onion. It wasn't the regular kind of aloo paratha that we normally have. We had a lot of jeera and onion put into it, so it was okay. I think all this is mustard seeds, if I'm not wrong. Finally today I found a patch of bad roads now. Highways under construction. This is while heading towards Gwalior from Jhansi. Having a little off-road adventure here on the national highway. So finally, the adventure has begun. The not so nice adventure actually. I'm about 90 kilometers away from Agra and the bike is giving me some trouble. I don't know what it is. The bike already had little issues. I mean, issues in the sense, made it so far. But now what has happened, the engine is making all sorts of noises where the bike won't move further after I start, so I think I'll have to get the engine repaired completely now. I don't know, something is broken inside. I am in for a big treat. It's like that for me now. I don't know how much of this you can hear, but I can feel the vibrations on the foot pegs as well. There is this town named Morna towards Agra. So I found a Royal Enfield service center on Google Maps over there, so I'm just headed there now. I did get the bike serviced completely before starting off the ride. 2 days before starting the ride, I got the bike serviced. Used it for about 50 kilometers in the city and then started off with the ride. So the bike is done apparently about 2000 kilometers as of now. I had other plans, but bike had already made plans for me. हाँ, मैंने कॉल किया था अभी. हाँ, वो इंजन का काम आया होगा पता नहीं, वो सेल्फ मोटर का प्रॉब्लम है क्या पता नहीं, समझ में। वो व्हील कट हुआ क्या शायद। अब भी 6 किलोमीटर, 6 किलोमीटर से लेके आया मैं। एक सेकेंड में। कल मिलेंगे। I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. So we got the engine running. The current status is I can't go fast. I'm going to the closest town that's here, that is in Gwalior, where the mechanic over here has spoken to another person who will get the job done by tomorrow for me, so I can continue with the ride, whereas I can't get this job done in the Royal Enfield Center because they have lack of spares, I believe. And there was one store where spares were available, but they would take 3 days is what they said, because Royal Enfield works during a particular timing. So I'm going to a mechanic suggested by the Royal Enfield owner here, who will get the job done for me by tomorrow, so that I can continue on with the ride. So the day I saved is the day to get the job done. Nice man, Mr. Abhishek, who owns Vedrani Motors. After a long wait, I end up doing the engine job of my motorcycle in Gwalior. I had to come all the way from Bangalore, and he is the guy who can get the job done for me. So let's go meet him. But first, make sure that we reach Gwalior. My bike stalled after the visit to the Enfield store. I was headed towards Gwalior because the spares were available there. But then I came about 10 kilometers from that town, Morna, and it won't start anymore. So trying to sort things out from here. I need to somehow reach Gwalior tonight. Let's see what happens. So I have company at this petrol pump here, where I'm stranded waiting for my rescue vehicle with these kiddos here to stay nearby. So these guys are helping me, navigate the rescue vehicle here. Bag निकाल दो. Just loaded our bike. एक सेकंड में. So the bike is tamed. Our bullet has been tamed. It is inside this van. It's a sad scene, but yeah, it is tamed. Rescue person has arrived. Our vehicle is off to the mechanic now. We are headed to Gwalior. The time is 8:30 and the bike is behind. I'm sitting in front with my luggage. I don't think you can see anything. It's dark. Talk to you later.